So today I'm going to do a quick review on the Innova 3100 model. Now first of all, this scanner uses 3 AA batteries. You cannot charge this scanner with the bottom USB. You're going to have to replace the batteries. And to connect this scanner, you're going to have to connect this part to your car. So right now my car is on accessory mode, so it should be able to scan it. Alright, so it's scanned and it's telling me that I got 4 codes into my car. The scanner still reads the code in accessory mode, but in order to fully scan the whole entire car, you're gonna have to turn it on. Now the first thing you want to do is click on this button. This will scan your car automatically. And from here it's saying that I got 4 codes. So if I just scroll down, it's gonna tell me the type of codes I have, and it'll show me how to fix it, and it will tell me the type of problem of that specific code. So let me scroll down, and this is the second code, 174. Let me scroll down one more time, and as you can see there, I got a code of 171. And the fourth code is 174 as well. And now the button right below it takes you to the main menu. Now let me select the first option, which is System Test. Now let me choose OBD Monitor Test. Now from here, in order to display the live values of your sensors or whatever it is that's on this page, you're gonna have to turn on the car, and then you're gonna have to drive it for at least 10 to 20 to 30 minutes in order to view those values for these sensors or for any of the options that's on this page. So now scrolling all the way down to the EGR Bank 2, you're gonna see that this page does have some type of information. And it shows a 2 out of 4 EGR bank number. Now let me go back. Let me go to the evap. And as you can see on the evap, everything is all empty. You're gonna have to drive the car in order to activate it. Now let me go back. And as you're seeing, we do have misfire data. We got misfire cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 and all the other cylinders of this car. So if I click on cylinder 1, you're seeing that everything is empty. In order to see the misfire counts, you're gonna have to drive the car for a couple of minutes. So from here, that's pretty much everything. Now let me go back to the main menu. And the next option that I see is the evap test. And this is saying that the test is not supported for this vehicle. I don't know too much about this, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let me go to vehicle information. It tells me my vehicle ID. Let me go to oil reset. Now for this option, it looks like you could reset your oil, which is one thing that I never did, but at least this OBD2 scanner has this option to reset it. Now let me go back to the main menu, and we do have a DLC locator. Now for this, you can search up your vehicle information. Okay, now right below the DLC locator, you have the battery and alternator monitor. Now to check the battery, the car is gonna have to be on park, and I'm gonna have to turn it off. So let me press continue. It's telling me to turn off the engine, then turn on the key to the on position. Do not start the engine. So basically leaving the car in the accessory mode. Now it's telling me to turn off the headlights. Now I have to start the engine 3 times. So I'm gonna have to turn it on, then turn it right back off 3 times. Alright, now let me click on continue. Now after doing all of that, the only information I get from this scanner is that the battery status is good. This doesn't tell me how many volts I have for the battery. It doesn't tell me any type of specific information about the battery or how much battery life it has on it. All that it tells me is that the battery is good. This really was kind of a waste of time. Now right below it, we have trip cycle procedures, which is something that I don't know too much about, so I'm just going to go back. And let me show you guys the firmware version. So this is the firmware information. We have a V01.05.00. Now scrolling down, we got the tool library. We have the tool icons. Now here it tells me the type of icons and what they mean and what they all mean from this scanner. So you got the EGR, you got the evap, we got the evap. Okay, and here are some other tool icons here. Now we got the DTC library and the LED notification. Okay, now we got the tool settings. And here we got our basic functions of adjusting the brightness, audible tone to turn off the beeping sound of the scanner. Okay, we have unit information, and it gives me the option of standard and metric. I'm gonna just leave it as standard. Now that's pretty much everything for the main menu. So this button here is to scan the car, and this is for the main menu. Now let's press on the bottom button, which is this one right here. Now this button takes you to your data feed. Okay, now keep in mind this data is not live. This is a freeze frame. So basically it takes a screenshot of your live data. Even though it's not live and you cannot see the real numbers moving up or down, you can still see the status. We have the engine RPM. Now for the engine RPM, let me rev my car and see if that number changes. Okay, no, it didn't change. It still says 856. So basically this is a freeze frame or a screenshot. That's not gonna change. We got our O2 sensors here. Now let me go all the way down. Fuel level 29, that's how much fuel I have in my car right now. Now that's pretty much everything. I just went all the way to the top and to the bottom. Now for the red button on the left side, this is to erase all the codes that you have in your car. It tells me if I want to erase all the information. Now let me click on the middle button where it says the S. And this, it takes you to the system menu. Now selecting global OBD2 scans your car. It says auto link in progress. So as you're seeing, it gives me the same 4 codes that I have in my car. Now selecting ABS. Alright, it says unable to establish communication. I don't know too much about this, so I'm gonna just go back. Now the SRS. Alright, it says no SRS. I'm not too sure about that, so let's go back here. Now let's go to the last option, which is Ford OEM Enhanced. Okay, now this looks like it could scan my car again, but I'm not too sure. But this is what this option gives you. So basically having a scanner that cost $150, I bought this scanner brand new from AutoZone. So overall, this is the type of scanner you're gonna get. These are the type of options you're going to receive from this scanner, costing around $130 to $150. Keep in mind this scanner does not have live data feed, so you cannot view the live data. It's gonna have to be a freeze frame, basically a screenshot, and that's basically it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.